Alright boys, it's time to get some more progress going on the 1JZ swapped E36. So today is actually a pretty big step because the wire harness has finally showed up that I ordered from Wiring Specialties like 2 or 3 months ago now. So they had to build it completely to what I was running. Pretty much stock everything on the 1J, and I've never seen a harness so clean in my life. Everything's labeled on it. So I got the turbo downpipe with the wastegate, external wastegate, and it comes with a V-band. Future fabrication, and probably throw that on today. Got my catch can, Mishimoto radiator. So got a big old radiator for it, and it's literally so wide that I'm gonna notch the frame to make it fit in here, and then I'm gonna do a bash bar and everything like that on it. So that's gonna be a little bit before we put this one in, but it's here. That's all that matters. I also ordered like my intercooler and everything like that, so I'm gonna wait until my intercooler comes in until I figure out my whole front setup with the radiator and everything. Crustiness, brothers. Crusty. Crusty old gasket. Got a new one right there. She's pretty little welds on her too. Gotta get a new VVTI solenoid because this one actually broke on the sensor clip. Gotta get a bolt and like a spacer to hold my power steering in. Gotta get the fittings here to run to my oil catch can. So hopping back into the 1J. A few more things. I just put these valve cover bolts in to match these ones. They look super good. Also new oil cap from Drift Motion. We got a new VVTI solenoid today because this one, the clip snapped off on it. Also put new plugs in it yesterday. Also got radium pressed in AN10 fittings to run to my oil catch can lines and mount my oil catch can. I think I'm gonna take this power block out, put it inside the car, and then put my catch can in there. So I think that's how I'm gonna do it, and I'm gonna get started by gotta take off the valve cover because the PCV valve thing I took off last time broke off inside there. So take that thing out. A few more things. Also got a brand new thermostat right here. So I'm gonna throw all these things in. There she is. There's that new baby. So I took off the valve covers and took off, I guess you'd call like the inner screen or something. Got the plastic piece that broke out from the inlet when I originally took them off. So about to put some more Toyota sealant on that right here and seal that back up. Trying to get this motor just as fresh as possible to prevent any possible failures. You know it's bound to happen. Little gasket, nice. New VVTI solenoids in there, the coil packs and the new spark plugs are in there. The new 90 AN radium basically oil catch can adapter is in there. So run my catch can over here. New thermostat's in there. Just got done doing some stuff to the 1JZ. As you can see, sick mop boy stickers. Check the description below. I went under, fixed the trans brace that I got from Excessive. I had to mount the 4 bolts. It was kind of awkward sitting before. Got that fixed in there. Got my slave cylinder in there now, so the clutch is working and everything is good on that. Got that clutch, boys, that pressure feels good. So now I got everything under the car pretty much ready. I just got to get a selector on, cut it and re-weld it for the swap. And then I got to get a drive shaft made, a few things like that. But right now what I'm going to work on is getting rid of this power block that's up here in the engine bay. Alright boys, we're going to finish a little bit more of the E36 today. And got some new line. Also, the 1JZ fuel rail is like a banjo bolt. So I got some new banjo bolts. I just need to hook them on here. And going to hook up the fuel line, run it back to my fuel filter. Every day we're getting closer, I swear. Next video with this car should be a lot of the finalizing steps. Getting the radiator set up, waiting on my intercooler blow-off valve. Little sticker blast piece. Fuel lines are all in there now. I figured I'd end this video with the current state of the E36. I was gonna put the harness in right now, but I figured I want to put the harness in when I wire up the whole car with the switch panel and everything like that. So I was gonna wait until I do that all at once. Pretty much next things, like I said, notch it, radiator, whole lot coming soon. I'll see you next time.